ain't coming back.
That chopper looks like it's heading to the evac center at the mall.
Then so am I. Grab a weapon, let's go. I think the goddamn building's on fire.
Jumping Jehoshaphat! What are these things? Reloading!
Hey, man.
Reloading! It's that big... It's them or us.
I don't know who started this shit, but let's just stop the friendly
My
fire
lord.
right now.
New Orleans is all that's
Puke
left.
here.
Get out!
Reloading!
Living like
What are those guys doing
See
in
you
those
worth the
suits?
shooting, coach.
Reloading!
Reload!
Let's get to the stand. Look out!
Watch out!
Something on me! Reloading!
Reloading.
The fire's spread! Reloading! Reloading! It's that one that runs at you. Reloading! Puke here! Reloading! Watch out!
Burning shit.
Reloading! Reloading! Got pills! Reloading!
Out here, let's try the ledge.
Green thing! Thing!
Reloading! Reloading!
Reloading.
Reloading! Adrenaline shot here! Thank Jesus, this one's still on. I ain't walking down them flights of stairs.
Shit. This some sort of nightmare, goddamn zombie apocalypse and shit. Shit. What the hell are we gonna do?
Hey, it's okay, man. We're gonna be fine. Tell me, what's your name?
Ellis. My name's Ellis.
How about you?
Everyone just calls me Coach.
My name's Rochelle. You?
You did good out there, Rochelle.
Thanks.
All part of the
You
job.
too.
Moving like Harry.
All right, enough chat. Get ready. Fire over here, too. Down here. Reloading.
We gotta get around this fire.
Look out! Screwed up, y'all. I need some help.
Can't stay down there forever. Let me get you out.
Thanks. Reloading. Good. I ain't dead yet.
Ooh, I know a gun store we can stop at along the way. There's some real weapons.
Get me to the mall and I'll make it worth your while.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Let's go find that helicopter.
Shit. Think you can fire through.
Reload. Reload.
Reloading.
Reloading.
That's what they call a boomer.
I'm getting so mad. Shit is squealing worm right now. We're heading the right way to the mall.
Reloading!
I don't like the sound of the
Bridge to
crying.
the mall's blocked. We gotta find another way. Reloading! All right. Cut.
You hear that? The sounds weren't bad enough.
Reload!
We've got to be getting through. Rich. We called it.
What are those guys doing in those suits? I'm down!
Need you for a little
I'm a reload.
Let's get you back.
Thanks, man. You all right?
Pick you up.
Whew. That's what I'm talking about. Look out! Reloading!
Reloading! Reloading!
What's with the suits? Get this thing off me!
That thing's right at him!
Look out!
Reloading!
Okay. Gotta find me some real first aid.
Over the dumpster!
Gun!
Heads up!
That hit the spot.
Jockey!
That was some epic shit right there.
Reloading.
Jump onto the truck.
I'm a reload!
That gun store's around here somewhere. Come on, this way. Reload!
Reloading!
That gun store is just up ahead. Let's stock up and keep moving.
Reloading.
Reloading! Pay dirt. Laser sights here.
Reloading.
Hold still. Probably gonna regret this, but let me use this on you.
All good
Laser
now.
sights here.
All right. That'll keep me tight. Hold up, y'all. I'm gonna heal your ass.
All right, now I'm back.
First aid here. Shit, they beat you good. Let me heal you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Weapons here.
Hey, laser sights here.
Okay, mysterious voice.
I'll be blunt. I need the code. And I won't let you through the barricade until I get it. Now go.
Okay, we're in. What do we owe you for the guns?
Only you'll promise that you'll put them to good use. You folks want to get a move on?
Here comes the alarm.
Attention, foundations. Time for a fire sale.
I got the cola. Let's get back. Reloading. I got the code. They must sneak it around. Grabbing cola.
You got the cola. Put it in the slot. Thank you for that. Now turn around. You'll live till you take her through.
Path's clear. Let's get to that mall.
Reloading.
Good luck now.
Reloading.
Reloading. Reloading.
Ha ha! There's the mall. Jockey!
Reloading.
I'm gonna reload.
Reloading.
You shoot me again, and I will drop.
Hey, watch out!
Let me take this. I haven't seen any action all day.
Guess all the people must be inside. Look out!
We got a hunter. Reloading.
Can you close that door?
Where is everybody?
Let's go find the evacuation center. I'm already sick of this place.
Cedar's got to be around here somewhere. Let's find this evac and get out of here.
Hey, hey.
Hold up, y'all. I'm gonna heal your ass.
Better.
Man, I love malls. I do. Once I was in this mall up in Atlanta, and these guys were dancing for like money and stuff, and my friend, oh yeah.
Why don't we just try quiet time for a while?
God damn it. Quit fussing and let me heal you.
Yeah, I'm ready already.
All good now.
Reloading.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Reloading! Up this escalator.
Reloading.
Reloading!
Watch out.
Big gun. Down that escalator.
I'm reloading.
Reload.
Reloading!
Heads up.
We got a safe, 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 safer!
Pass up through! It's me! Reload! Reloading! Reloading!
Reloading.
Reloading.
Reloading!
Cowabunga!
Think I heard a boomer.
Watch out!
Jockey!
Reload.
Over this door. Ninja sword here. Shit. Should have told this class.
Down
This
here.
right here messed some shit up. Reloading! Reloading!
Reloading.
Quiet, everybody. I hear a bitch. Get ready. The alarm is gonna sound. Someone turn off the alarm!
Watch out! Look out now!
We got to turn off that alarm. Got it. Weapons overhead! Oh, no! Bang on me!
Reloading.
Reloading! fussing. I'll heal you.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking
I'll grab
about.
you some first aid.
Reload!
Big gun! Reload!
Reloading!
Reloading!
Head down this way. Charger! Boomer! Adrenaline shot here. All right. Shit, gotta heal my ass. All good now. Tank!
Let me heal you.
Yes. Reloading!
Reloading!
Some of the refugees must have built a safe room. Get your asses in here right now! I won't lie, it don't look good.
Anybody know who the race car guy is?
Just the best stock car racer of all time. Try reading a book sometime.
Jimmy Gibbs Jr. Man, Southerners make the weirdest people famous.
That man is an American hero. I would take a bullet for that man.
Amen.
We ready?
All right, hang on. This might sting a bit.
Yeah, I'm feeling right.
Stop squirming. I'm gonna heal you.
Okay.
Come on, people, let's get with it.
I'ma reload.
I hope somebody got out all right. All right, so getting evac ain't happening. Anybody got an idea? Now's the time.
I think I got one. Let's go find Jimmy Gibbs' stock car. We get that thing gassed up, we will drive out of here.
Normally, I wouldn't agree to do this, but in these circumstances, I think Mr. Gibbs Jr. ain't gonna mind.
Wherever he is, Coach, he's proud of you. Now remember, they don't fill up these tanks at car shows, so we're gonna have to find some gas.
If we see a Jimmy Gibbs zombie, somebody else is gonna have to kill him. I got one. Come on, baby, come on.
Hey, watch out!
Jockey! Got it! It's on!
Reloading!
Baby, please, please! Reloading!
Reloading! Hey, I'm reloading.
Gun!
Attention,
Got a can.
zombie shoppers. Time for a fire sale.
I got this one! Heads up, go! Hey, y'all! I need some help!
I'm reloading.
Reloading!
Look, the big guy upstairs isn't ready to take you yet. Let's get you on the
Attention, zombie shoppers.
Thanks!
Time for a fire sale.
That's what I'm talking about. I got it.
Hey, look out! Reloading!
Reloading! Reloading!
Reloading!
Reloading!
Attention, zombie shoppers. Time for a fire sale.
Step slow, y'all. Move on around. I got this can.
Gotta reload!
Attention, zombie shoppers. Time for a
I got this can.
Reloading here! You got a hunter! Yo, Coach, stop shooting me. Reloading!
Got a can.
Reloading!
off the damn ledge.
Let's get you up on your feet.
All right, thanks. Oh, shit! Ace! Don't stop now! Shoot it! Hunter on Ellis!
Attention, zombies.
I got this! Extending fireball! I got one. Come on, baby, come on. Just 3 more. Got it. Come on. Just 2 more. Come on. I got it.
Attention,
Filling it up here.